I'm Ron Parr, founder and chief operations officer of the Ohio Mint. People need to understand we aren't here by accident. We're purpose-driven. And really the purpose began some 30 years ago when I started studying sound money, constitutional money, gold and silver. When I began to understand that with the creation of the Federal Reserve in 1913, that the dollar is now worth approximately 1 penny, and that gold is up from that time about 9,500%. It was a business that literally had a purpose. And there was nothing I could do but think day and night about starting a minting facility and helping people to understand the nature of money. We're here to help you protect your dollar. The beginning of our process is when we receive 1,000-ounce bars or bags of silver grain. We'll superheat that material to 2,200 degrees, pour that into a ladle, and then hand pour into what we call billet molds. They're kind of like big silver bullets. As the silver billet is placed into the extrusion press, the ram comes forward under tremendous pressure, 500 tons of pressure, presses the silver through the die and creates the long silver strip. The silver strips then cut into approximately 4-foot lengths where it's prepared to be cooled and taken to the rolling mills. Once we roll to precise accuracy on our rolling mills, we take that material or strip over to our punch presses where our team members process and knock out the blanks or planchets. And now we're prepared to take an extra step that most mints don't do. We take all of our rounds and we burnish those. And essentially what we're doing is just polishing the blank, cleaning it in order that we get a beautiful impression at our coin press. The front of the coin, called the obverse, and the reverse of the coin, called the reverse, as well as the reeded edge on the coin, are all stamped in a single action. It requires 360 tons of pressure to mint a 1-ounce bullion round. The final stage is packaging and shipping. Many of the coin tubes on the market today are really junk. When you ship them, they bust in transit. So anyway, we engineered and we produce our own coin tubes. It's a small aspect of our business, but it's critical. We have to get our product to our customers in the condition that they expect and really in the beautiful, artful form that we've created.